In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in Wrike, a task management platform that many businesses use to streamline their workflows and organize projects efficiently. Whether you're an experienced user looking to refine your skills or a newcomer seeking to explore Wrike's functionality, adding folders is an essential part of keeping your workspace tidy and functional. Let's get started with these straightforward steps to ensure you can easily organize your tasks and projects like a pro. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Simply navigate to Wrike's website and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. If you're using Wrike within an organizational setup, you might have to click on Google to sign in with your work account. Choose the account you want to use and you should be inside your workspace in no time. Once logged in, head over to the specific project where you want to add a new folder. You can do this by browsing through your list of projects until you find the one you need. Finding your project is an important step, as the new folder will reside within this space. When you've opened your project, locate the three dots icon, which represents more options. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu. This step is crucial because the options under this menu allow you to customize and modify your project space further. From the menu, you'll want to click on Add Item. This option usually reveals a small list of actions you can perform to enhance how your project space is organized. It's a fantastic way to start expanding the contents and structure of your project. In this list, select Folder. By selecting this, you're indicating that you want to create a new organizational section within your project. Folders are immensely helpful when you need to categorize different aspects of a project, like phases of a task or departmental segments. After you've clicked Folder, a prompt will appear asking you to type in the folder's name. It's vital to choose a descriptive name for your folder, something that immediately identifies its purpose or contents when you and your team glance at it. Finally, wrap up this process by clicking Create. This confirms and solidifies the addition of the new folder to your project. Congratulations, you've successfully added a folder in Wrike. This small but effective action can greatly enhance how your project is structured, making it easier for you and any team members involved to locate and manage information efficiently. As you become more familiar with Wrike's features, you'll find creating and using folders a handy way to keep your workspace orderly and enhance your productivity. Always feel free to adjust and modify as your project demands grow or change over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay organized and keep your projects thriving.